Perfection. The pursuit of perfection is what drives people around the world to achieve peak performance. And the same goes for us at Winterhalter. Every single day, we strive to keep perfecting commercial washing. We always look to answer the same questions. What options are there for further improving the wash result, while simultaneously reducing water consumption? How can we make it easier to use the machine? What can we do to further enhance the washing process? How do we achieve the highest degree of quality and reliability? These are the questions that interest our customers. And we also asked ourselves these very same questions while developing the new UC series, right up until we finally had the answers. The result is a professional tool for perfect wash results, specifically aligned to our customers' needs. Premium design, digital connectivity, and with innovative features. With a new touch display for intuitive and simple operation. An innovative wash field for water savings of up to 25%. Connectivity with Connected Wash for targeted optimization of the washing process. These are just a few of our new UC's fantastic features. All these features combined make it a warewasher that sets new standards in its class. Our masterpiece, crafted for you, prepared for the future.